If you need to edit a video fast, whether it's for a product demo, internal content, or a social campaign, Adobe Express gives you simple tools to polish clips and add on-brand elements in minutes. Let's walk through the basics. From the homepage, choose Create Video, and then the type of video project you'd like to create. Then, upload your clip from your device, or choose from Adobe stock videos and images. Your footage appears on a timeline where you can start editing right away. Select your clip to access the core editing tools. Trim the beginning or end. Split the clips into sections, or delete parts you don't need. If you have more clips to add, simply drag and drop them onto the timeline to build your sequence. Enhance your clips with brightness, contrast, or color adjustments like tone. And if supported by your footage, you can even remove the background in one click. You can also access a variety of video-related quick actions from the homepage: trim video, resize video, crop video, caption video, and more. Back in our project, it's time to insert elements like text, like this, or it could be shapes or icons to emphasize key points to guide the viewer. Apply your brand kit to keep your fonts and colors consistent across every clip. Show layer timing to trim and position text, layers, and groups in the timeline. And if your team uses video templates, replace text or images while keeping the locked layout intact. Open the Media tab to add music from Adobe's royalty-free library or upload your own. Audio sits in its own timeline layer, so you can easily trim it, extend it, or add fade-ins and fade-outs. I'll point out Record VoiceOver to record narration directly inside Express. Or if you want to appear in the video, that's possible too. Select Record Yourself to film directly in the app, then position and trim the clip as needed. We're going to use animations to bring this video to life. Apply subtle motion to text, images, or graphic elements, like fades, slides, or type-on effects. This guides the viewer's attention without overdoing it. Once animations are applied, open the timeline controls and select Show Timing to see exactly when each element starts and ends. From here, you can fine-tune timing, stagger animations, add transitions, and apply different styles to each layer so it stands out, giving you precise control over how your story unfolds. Preview your video to make sure everything looks right. Then, download it. Publish it directly with Content Scheduler or convert it to a template so teammates can reuse the design. Adobe Express makes video editing fast and intuitive so your team can create professional-looking videos without slowing down.